We're gonna start a series. What does this tool do? First, air tools. Air tools are the backbone of any garage, but they need proper care. We get to put together one of the tools that Santa brought me. There's gonna be an air intake. In this case, it's here. 3. There we go. And then we're going around.
Lubrication will depend on how much you use your tools. Tape your fittings. I love this yellow one.
Turn it on, air it out, and try to until there is no oil out. These reduce frictions, prevents wear, and it allows your tool to last longer. So as I show you what else we can do with our air tools, and a lot of different kind of things we can cut and build.